Is it the mysterious sound of the so-called coming apocalypse? Some think that the mysterious sound heard in Costa Rica at around 12:30 a.m. this morning is exactly that. Ronnie Quintero, a seismologist, said the event should be studied at the exact time and location of the anomalies to determine with certainty that there was no earthquake. He added that depending on the location of those who claim they heard the rumble or the hum, it is easy to dismiss the possibility of tectonic movements. This news has rattled the social web, whereas Costa Ricans and the world over are scrambling to figure out what this mysterious sound could have been. Authorities have yet to comment on the subject, although OFSICARI, the Costa Rica volcanologist and seismologist organization, is saying there is no earth movement recorded at the time of the strange sound. Here is a YouTube video showing how it sounded. It is important to note that this is not the wind, nor was it filmed anywhere near the ocean. The sound was heard throughout the entire country from Heredia to Perez Zeldin. Report for WHD TV.